coffee. Coffee is the most important thing of the day. It's the first thought that I have in the morning. The whole day is planned around when are we going to have our afternoon coffee. So what happens, Juniper, if we're on the road, if we're out and about, if we're in the middle of nowhere and it's coffee time? What do? We make our own coffee. For one thing, coffee's expensive when you're buying it on the road, right? Especially if you're traveling with a family and you're not even supposed to really be coming in contact with people these days. Number two, it makes a lot of trash. It's unnecessary. And number three, the best coffee is the coffee from home. Like, I don't want expensive, fancy coffee. I just want the coffee that I like. So we're going to show you the kit that we put together, that anyone could put together. It's not rocket science. And we'll make some coffee. How does that sound, Juniper? You want some coffee?
I don't like coffee.
Oh, right. Coffee kit in a box with a little table. We're on the banks of the North Umpqua River, a beautiful, wild and scenic river, really crystal clear water, and it's cold. Anyway, what a great spot to stop. This is just a regular plastic table. We use it for paint projects and everything else. We bring a table with us because you never know. And check this out, all in one box. First piece, portable butane stove. We may need to use that as a wind block. Has a regular can in it here. This is a coffee sock, and it came from Costa Rica. This is how almost everyone in Costa Rica makes coffee. Just a simple cotton sock that drips into a carafe. With boiling water, it works fantastic. Okay, some coffee from home. Oh, here's the sound we like to hear. Here we go, right into the sock. That looks so delicious. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look nice? That's one fine cup of coffee.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
That's right. Thank you, Juniper. Hey, you want to jump in this cold river?
Yes!
Okay, all right, let's do it. Let's do it.